Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make KFC BBQ sauce, easy method. Heat a small saucepan over medium and add your base ingredients to begin melding flavors. Stir continuously to dissolve sugar and bloom spices for a smooth, glossy finish. Taste and adjust with vinegar for brightness, brown sugar for sweetness, and smoked paprika for depth. Let it simmer gently until thickened to your preferred consistency, then cool slightly and serve warm. Measure everything before you start to keep the process smooth and stress-free. Combine ketchup, brown sugar, vinegar, and Worcestershire sauce in a bowl first for easy pouring. Add dry spices separately and mix into the wet base so they disperse evenly. When transferring to the pan, keep heat moderate and whisk often to prevent sticking. Taste mid-simmer and tweak one ingredient at a time for consistent results every batch. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh while you run errands after cooking. It's a small, funny comfort that makes food runs more pleasant and office commutes less stinky. Look in the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. Start with medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, watching closely. Whisk constantly for the first few minutes to fully marry the sugar and spices with the sauce. Reduce heat and let it bubble softly until it thickens and coats the back of a spoon. Always taste and adjust seasoning before cooling. When done, let it rest a bit so flavors settle, then enjoy with chicken, fries, or sandwiches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.